Baby, hey, I'm chillin' with my niggas, hey, smoking with my niggas, hey, all my niggas live, all my niggas to pull the trigger, hey, yeah, I'm the youngest, 17 up on that block, hey, grinding with my homies, boy, you about to get that pop, hey, I'm listening to Tupac, I remember I was 7 years old, chillin' with my brother, though, on that 1800, bro, I'm just chillin' with my main man, say Nacogdoches now, yeah, you try to run your mouth, I'm got my bands now, and I'm in this rap game, boy, you better watch your fame. Talking about Young Khaled name, you don't want no fucking brain. You don't want no real stuff. Boy, you better watch your mouth. Boy, you be dead, laying up in your and mama house. I'm playing, boy. I ain't lying, I'm about my games. Yeah, you about your game, but I'm all about this fame. Hey, I'm all about this rap. Freestyling that map. Hey, tryna go around the map. 40 niggas can get my lap, but I keep a 9 up in my lap. Boy, I can go and keep it real. Let a nigga get killed. Boy, I ain't got no deals. I ain't got no time to play. If you got time to play, well, you ain't got no money, boy. So where your mama stay?